Hello Ecofest, my name is Kieran O'Leary. I run the Small Electrical Recycling Project for Durham County Council. We're just recording this short little presentation today just to give you a little bit more of an insight onto how the project works and how you can get involved. So it is the Small Electrical Recycling Project, otherwise known as the WEEE project, and WEEE stands for Waste Electrical and Electronic Equipment. It includes everything from electric toothbrushes to laptops, mobile phones, toasters, kettles. And it's basically any electrical item that you find in your home that has either got a plug or is powered by batteries. And the manufacture of gadgets, new gadgets such as smartphones, involves mining rare earth metals and uses a large amount of plastic as well as energy. So what we want to do is we want to get as much of these old and unused electricals, we want to get all of the rare earth metals and all the plastic and get it recycled so that we can avoid mining new rare earth metals and creating more plastic. So this is what the electrical collection box looks like, just on the right hand side, just black with bright pink stickers. And basically all your small electricals, you can just bring them along and put them in your box, and then we'll take them away to be recycled. We're introducing small electrical recycling collection points in community buildings and schools all across County Durham, just to try and make it easier for people to recycle small electricals. This is just a short video of Shildon Town Council, which is one of our collection points, just to give you an idea of how big the box is and how the setup would work. So this is just an example of what a collection point would look like. So in here we've got the drill, so basically anything that is small enough to fit in a carrier bag you can bring along and then just pop it in this box here. And if you've got any remotes or anything that have any batteries, you can pop it in the battery tube that's just alongside it. And then we've got some leaflets and then the collection point number. And then anything that you pop in, you can email wasteaware@durham.gov.uk with the collection point number and what you've recycled and enter our free competition. So that is how the collection point setup works, and this is just a small list of some examples of things that you might have in your home that are broken or unused. So basically it's anything small enough to fit in a carry bag that's got a plug or is powered by batteries, so like a kettle, sat navs, smoke alarms, digital cameras, power tools, tablets, phones, extension leads, etc. And then what will happen is when the box is full, it will be taken to a council recycling centre and then on to a company called GAP, who have a reprocessing plant. And GAP have got a fully automated WEEE recycling plant, and they're one of only 5 companies to have an auditable reuse programme alongside this. Why should you recycle? Well, on average, each person in the UK buys 3 new electrical items each year, but only 1 out of 3 of us recycle the electrical appliances that we've replaced. And 75% of us have at least 1 old or unused electrical item in our house. And a UK survey in 2019 found that 45% of UK households had up to 5 unused electrical items. And when asked why they wouldn't recycle, 30% of people said that they just didn't know how. So this project has been set up to offer an avenue to recycle people's small electricals. On top of all this, e-waste is the fastest growing waste type. It increases by about 5% every single year. And 82% of the world's e-waste was left to be dumped or burned rather than recycled in 2019. And the UN Global E-Waste Report estimates that precious metals contained in this waste was worth over £40 billion in valuable metals like gold and silver, copper and platinum. And, well, creating new appliances, where if we create them from recycled materials, it saves energy and reduces the need to mine more raw materials. So it's just going to be better for the environment all the way around. So recycling all your old, broken and unwanted electricals allows us to prevent waste, recover resources and helps us take steps towards a more sustainable circular economy that's going to be better for the environment in the long run. And on top of all that, there's also a monthly prize. So if to enter our competition, all you need to do is email wasteaware@durham.gov.uk with the name of the item you recycled, like a kettle, and the collection point number that you recycled it at. And then you'll be entered in that month's free prize draw. And then winners will be picked at random, notified by email, and then it all resets, and we do that every single month. And that's exactly what all of these people did. So your local collection points are number 16 at St John's Church, Neville's Cross, number 15 at Refuse Cafe in Chesley Street, and number 22 is St Margaret's CV Primary School, which isn't open to visitors, but if anyone's dropping off their kids, then they'll be able to recycle there. So now all that's left to do is to bring all of your small electricals along and then just pop them in the box, enter our competition, and we'll make sure that they're recycled. Thank you.